Hi, it's Raj and this is the unboxing and a long-term review of Bathla 7-step advanced ladder.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So, this is the product package. I bought this from Amazon India, Cloudtail seller, for around rupees 4,400 after promotions and bank discounts. It's well packed to prevent logistics damages. So, let's take it out. There are also some color choices available like orange, teal, etc. This one goes orange. There is a product catalog tagged to the ladder in which you can find information regarding other models and warranty. So the main features of this ladder are: it's a 7-step having 158 cm height. The maximum possible load is 95 kg. The frame is thick enough to handle this. All the 4 legs have anti-slip shoes. It has got a good strong hinge. The top platform is scratch resistant and all the other 6 steps are anti-slip and also have edge guard to prevent injury. Bathla is offering a 5-year warranty for their ladder series. Some of the above mentioned features vary with their models. For that, let's check the catalog. This is the Advanced series, which we just unboxed, available in 7, 6, 5, 4 and 3 steps. This is the Elevate series, available in 5, 4 and 3 steps. It has got a tool tray. This is the Prime series, available in 6 and 5 steps. Then this is the Zenith, having climb assist rails, grab handles. And finally the Zenith Plus, having an additional paint tray. The last page is the warranty information. So it's a class 3 ladder for home DIY purposes with BS 2037-1994 requirements met. I have been using this ladder for over 1.5 years and is still in good condition. During this period, I use this ladder for fixing fans, interior paint jobs, etc. Finally, always follow the instructions affixed on the side of the ladder, like no overloading, use in fully opened and locked state, and don't try to reach inaccessible heights to avoid risk of injury. So that was it. You can find the links for the Bathla ladders in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.